Welcome to another CPA marketing tutorial with YouTube. In this tutorial, I am going to guide how to create the YouTube shorts or the YouTube video to monetize any CPA offer or affiliate offers. So let's dive into it. This is 2022 where the movie Spider-Man No Way Home is on trend. For the instance purpose, I am going to create a short video for CPA offers. It will be on the movie niche. So let's get started. Canva is one of the tool which we are using. Let's click on the create option. First of all, download few of the images of the Spider-Man new movie and simply drag it on here. In a way, you can download the video from Canva. So this is the easiest tutorial for this movie download based video. It's for the short, YouTube short or the shorts. So let's upload this video on the channel. You can create any movie name based channel. Click on upload. You can choose the file or simply you can drag the video which we have recently created. Also, let's create the thumbnail for this video. We have our thumbnail ready. Now let's optimize it. So let's optimize the title and the description first. Spider-Man, and at the end you simply have to write shorts. Let's give some little bit of description. Simply copy paste from others URL. Download link in the comment section, and simply put the thumbnail here. I think some issue. So let's try to edit it again. Let's just put the thumbnail again. Let's choose the thumbnail here. Thumbnail we have recently made, this one. And if we have playlist, or if not, we can create a new one. And let's just keep it as a public and create. Select this one and done. So let's say it's not made for the kids. We put the tag like Spider-Man No Way Home. Let's find out more. Yeah, this is the vidIQ extension where you get the more information about your video and your tags which you're gonna keep. These all are on the very high in the competition, though we are targeting it. You can keep more tags again. After it, you can choose this category and click on next. Click on next, and let's do it as a public. Okay, so there is no restriction since we are using the copyright music. Let's see if we get the issue, then we will remove the audio and we put the next audio for it. And now what we have to do is we have to put our link on this video. So let's go to the video first, get the link, and let's open it. This is our CPA based movie downloading intro video. So now let's come to the content locking part here. This is the content locker recently made. This one is the locker. You can simply create by going on this tool, like it's a file locker, so you can create from here. And you can simply create the locker. You can give the name, you can give the title, description, and you can choose the theme, you can set it up and then create the locker. Since I have already made the locker, so let's get into it. You can choose any of the domain here. Let's say I choose this one, and if you would like to sort on this URL, you can sort on it, or else it's okay to go with the direct link. Let's try to make it short. There are several URL shortener. I'm using j8.gl for this purpose. This one is our link. Okay, this one is the sorted URL. Let's just copy it and put it on the comment section. Okay, and you simply comment it, and one more thing, you have to pin it. So if any user comes, and if there are many comments, the main comments get upside at the sticky part. Okay, this all you have to do for this movie based content locker. You can do the same process for the game or giveaway, health, or any other needs. For the ranking purpose, you can buy some more views. You can get more views and get some likes. It will be fake like, but it works to get the video rank. You can try sites like SMM Globe, Micro Workers, etc. So where you can get some fake views and likes and the comments, which is going to boost your video visibility, and you get ranked. The more views on the video, the more interaction, and you make more money. So it is the process for CPA offer promo through the YouTube or the YouTube Shorts. Yeah, it is for the YouTube Shorts, and you can also create the long video like 5-minute, 10-minute videos for this YouTube CPA methods, where you explain the things, how users get the desired content. In a way, you can do the CPA with the YouTube or the YouTube Shorts. We'll see on the next video.